Subaru Outback Oil Change. Remove 17mm drain bolt. Remove old and install new crush washer. Remove old oil filter. Install new filter. Put a bit of oil on a new filter gasket. Hand tighten new filter. Hand tighten drain plug with new crush washer. Finally secure it with a ratchet, but don't over tighten it. Subaru recommends 0-20. I'm gonna try 530 to reduce engine oil consumption. Engine oil capacity is about 5 quarts. If in doubt, check oil level. Start the vehicle, check for leaks. Replace engine oil every 3 to 5,000 miles. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.